The decline in bee populations has raised an alarm over their conservation. It's also reported that wild bees, along with managed honeybees, are the most economically important group of pollinators. That's why local alliances are encouraging conservation amid commercial losses. One local beekeeper explains the details of managing the inherent risks involved.
Go to open a box, you always never pull from the middle, because when you're in the brood box, if you pull from the middle, you could roll your queen, which means when you're pulling up on it, it'll kill her if she just happens to be in the wrong spot. But this works like a pry thing right here, and that one's pretty much empty on the outside, which is pretty typical for this time of year.
Carl is owner of a local renovation business and helping to get the word out on bees over a bottle of honey.